Hello friends, today we will learn how to find circumference of a circle. Now, this is the circle and this is the outer boundary of the circle which is called circumference. So, how you will find this circumference length? Okay, now a line passing through the center that is called diameter. And the distance from center to circumference that is called radius. Okay, if you know radius or diameter, you are able to find out the circumference of a circle. Now, there are two formulas related to circumference of a circle. Now, the first formula is 2 multiply pi multiply radius. And second formula is, if you know the diameter, so what will be your formula? Pi multiply diameter. Now, we will find the circumference of a circle when we know the radius. Now, what is the formula? Circumference of a circle is equal to 2 multiply pi multiply r. Now, we will put the value 2 multiply. What is the value of pi? That is 3.14 or 22 by 7. You must remember this. Now, I will write the value of pi 3.14 and what is my radius in the question is 1.4 centimeter. Now, what I will do? First, I will multiply these two. So, 3.14 multiply by 2. First, ignore the decimal. Just multiply. 2 4s are 8. 2 1s are 2. And 2 3s are 6. And now, there are two decimal places. So, before 2 digit, you have to put the point. Now, this is 6.28 centimeter. Now, you do 8 centimeter. Now, this is left. This is left. Now what you will do? You will take this up 6.28 centimeter. Now I will multiply this by 1.4. So first I ignore the decimal. I will multiply this number by 14. So how I will multiply? 4 8s are 32. 3 I will carry. 4 2s are 8. 8 and 3 11. Carry 1. 4 6 are 24. 24 plus 1 is 25. Now first place is cross. Now I multiply the whole number by 1. So 1 8s are 8. 1 2s are 2 and 1 6 are 6. Now I add both the lines 2, 1 and 8 9, 5 and 2 7 and 6 and 2 8. Now I will see now decimal. There are two decimal places and here there is one decimal place. So total number of decimal places is 1, 2, 3. So in answer before 3 digit I will put the decimal and this centimeter. Now so what is my circumference of the circle is 8.792 centimeter. I hope it is clear to you.